Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today's shloka Namah Samastabhutanam Adibhutaya Bhubhrute Anekaruparupaya Vishnave Prabhavishnave. Namaha, salutation. Samasta, all. Bhutanam, of beings who have lives. Adibhutaya, to him who was before world. Bhubhrute, to him who is the king of the earth. Aneka, many. Rupa Rupaya, forms. Vishnave, to Vishnu. Prabha Vishnave, great Lord. I bow to Sri Vishnu, who was before the world, who was before all beings, who is the king, who took or who is in many forms. Namaha, indeclinable, governs nouns in dative, so all nouns are in dative case. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ಮೊದಲಿನಿಂದ ಇರುವಂತಹ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರಾಜನಾಗಿರುವ, ಅನೇಕ ರೂಪಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಭುವಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.